Before you generate your APK, I will advise you to clean your project first. So after you clean your project, I also suggest you to close the project by going to File and then Close Project. So after you close project, you restart this project again. So make sure you have no compilation error also. So you scroll to the bottom here and check whether it has error or not. So for this code, it has 0 compilation errors. So after I'm satisfied with my app, I will just generate signed APK by going to Build, Generate Signed APK. So you will need to choose or create a new key store. So I just press this one, create new, and then I just copy this path here. So this is my path, user, users, user. So this would be your username, desktop, keystore.jks. So I just copy this one, copy, and then go back to my Android Studio here, and I just paste Ctrl V. So the password, and this alias, I just put my website here. The password I put same as here. And then I put my first name and last name. So and then press OK. So I just remember password. Next. So before this screen, your screen may appear a master password. So just key in the same password as before. So after this APK destination folder will be on this path. So this is a path. So this is a folder. So the APK will be stored here on this folder. So you choose release, not debug, and then you click finish. So the generated APK will be app-release.apk. So I just click finish. So the generation process may take about 1 to 2 minutes depending on the size of your mobile app. So just be patient. Finally, you will see this window here. So just press this one, show in Explorer. So here is your APK file here. So actually I already generated it here. So after you generate your APK, you will need to rename it. So I will suggest you to keep your APK file organized by naming your app to this Labs Adventure World. So this is your name of your mobile app. This YYYY is the years, M for month, D for day. So the next thing you will need to consider is this. So if your APK already uploaded to Google Play Store and you want to update your APK for the first time, do this on your Android Studio before generate signed APK. So first you go to File, Project Structure, App, Flavors. So as shown here, so I go to File, Project Structure, go to App here, flavors and update these two. So the version code will be 2 and the version name will be 1.1. So this one 2, this one 1.1. And then finally, you just press OK. So after you press OK, then only you generate your signed APK again. Okay, that's it for generation of APK. Thank you.